House to Home, brought to you by RE/MAX Diamond Realty.
All right, everybody, welcome to House to Home, and we are talking about that very topic right now. We are talking homes with our good friend Liz from RE/MAX Diamond Realty and a new friend Adam from Pentagon Federal Credit Union, who has big news to tell us if we are in the market for owning a home. So Liz, let's segue into that eventually, but I understand there was a forum for you and your colleagues recently and
yes,
everything like that.
we just did.
Always a good time when realtors get together. It's a big party.
Oh yeah, we had a really nice time. We had a broker agent open house yesterday up at Nimitz Estates. We have a 4-bedroom home, which is 2,700 square feet of living space, renovated, beautifully done. So we had an open house for the agents to come preview the home, bring their buyers, and so we even had our sales meeting for the office there. So at the sales meeting, Adam came in and did his spiel about what Pentagon Federal Credit Union had to offer, and he's visiting Island, he's setting something up. So we thought, well, let's share this with the community. Let them hear what's happening, what the changes are.
All right, Adam, well, you're very welcome here to the island, and I hope we've been feeding you very well and being hospitable.
Oh, it's the best hospitality out there. I'm almost going to want to stay here.
Excellent. Well, you know, you may have to buy a home, which means you can be your own best customer with a new product you're rolling out.
Oh, absolutely.
Look at this, I'm telling him. He's acclimated to the island. He's wearing
the island has
jewelry.
become part of my wardrobe.
If you've got a necklace, if you've eaten at Jamaican Grill, and if you've hung out at the beach for inordinate amounts of time and everything like that, you're practically local.
That sounds about my visit here.
And if you reveal the information you've got now, certainly a lot of locals are going to endear you to our community.
Well, you know, I'm here on island to basically let everybody know that PenFed is now offering home mortgages for properties here. It's been a long time coming to do island properties because we've had everything going on the state side, and now we're able to offer all those stateside services on island. For purchases, for refinances. We're rolling out a series of products and trying to get more and more available as the time goes. But right now we have a couple 15-year conventional and a 30-year conventional product with the intention of bringing out more. We want to just let the community know that, you know, we've been on island. You've probably had your car loan with us for a while, but hey, now we're able to offer something better. We're able to not just do your cars, we're able to give you your home at a really competitive interest rate.
Now, just to make sure, because of the storm that just passed us, my ears are kind of plugged up with all the pressure and everything. But you said 15, 1-5, not 50, right?
Correct. Yeah,
okay.
15-year and 30-year are what we're starting off with right now, conventional loans. We do understand that there is also a heavy military demand. I mean, our membership is military founded. So we do have that commitment and that goal to bring out a whole line of products, including VAs and others of our normal portfolio, hopefully out to the island in the coming months and times here.
Now, how would people use 15-year loans? Because typically, like, you know, as Liz has educated us over the past, year and a half or so, people typically get loans for like 30, 45, even like longer than that, big chunks of time because, you're buying to stay and you're going to homestead, you're going to raise your family and hopefully generations after that. Why would someone get a 15-year loan?
Well, if you've already got that product, that 30-year that you've had before, and you've been paying and being a good customer for it, you may want to refinance, get that better interest rate, get that stateside interest rate that we can offer you, but you may not want to reset your term up to 30 years. You've been 10 years into this, why truncate it and start back from scratch?
Good point.
We're able to offer you that really low rate at the 15-year, so you don't feel like you're losing anything or anything, you're just saving even more.
So a little bit of paperwork and a lot less money, hopefully, you'll have to spend.
Absolutely, that is the idea here, to try and let everybody know and say that we can help. We are here.
And I'm sure you've learned from Liz that she is someone who's embraced digital technology, and she really does not like paperwork. So, Liz, how is the online application process for this? Because we've talked, as I said, like in months and months and months, that it's a lot of regulatory stuff, but applying online and everything like that, how streamlined can the process be?
Well, it's a matter of just completing the form. If it's online, it makes it a lot easier. And according to Adam, it will take like a 2-week process to process the loan. So, I mean, I think we're all going to be testing that out.
2 weeks is the goal, where our turnaround time is aimed right now at the 30-day marker. But there's a lot of variables out there that's just hard to control, and we're doing what we can to make it the most streamlined, and working with people like Liz and working with the local groups. We have a local partnership with the security title area, and they are here to help us, and we're picking and choosing the experts on island to make sure this process goes as smoothly as possible.
Now, to debunk one myth, because a lot of people, myself included for a very long time here on island, think when they hear Pentagon Federal Credit Union, they think you have to be a federal employee, specifically with the military and everything. That is not the case.
No, I mean, our foundation is military, and we're here for all of our military personnel, active, reserve, retired duty. But you don't have to be in the military to become a member of PenFed. There are a slew of other ways, and we want friends and allies of our military and to support our troops as well. So there are a number of ways to become a member with PenFed. And going through the list would be pretty incumbent. But PenFed.org, our website, PenFed.org, and it's got all the information there. We put everything right there at your fingertips, so you can have just about anything, any answer there you want about our membership right there on the front page.
All right, well, your web servers are going to get a lot of traffic from the local market, and the business we give you certainly translates to the business that we give Liz, and so it's one big cycle, and we'll all make each other happy.
Absolutely.
Well, we're happy to have you, and see you on the beach.
Yes, I'll be out there.
Thanks a lot, Liz.
Thank you.
Thanks as always. All right, everybody, please stay tuned. We are back right after this.